Hi friends, welcome to mathematics. Today we will see problems in time and distance which you can see in many competitive exams. The problems based on time, which is late or early or usual time. Let's see the problems. A man started from home and is walking at 5 km per hour and reaches his office 15 minutes early. And walking at 3 km per hour, he is late by 9 minutes. What is the distance to his office from home? In this problem, if you see, two different speeds are given, and if the speed increases, he is going early to the office. If the speed decreases, he is going late to the office. So our target is to find the distance from office to home. If you solve problems like this, if both times are late or both are early, means we have to subtract the times. One is late and early. Early and late means we have to add the time. That is called the time difference. Here we have to find the distance. So let's consider the distance be x kilometer. We have to find x here. And the difference between the time is 15 minutes early and 9 minutes late. So if the late and early means we can add the times. That is 15 plus 9, which gives us 24 minutes. To convert minutes into hours, I'm dividing it by 60. We know the formula, time equal to distance divided by speed. Here there are two differences. So time 1 difference time 2 equal to distance 1 distance by speed 1 difference distance by speed 2. Both of this I wrote x as a distance because both days he is going from home to office. So both distance are same. So I just took x as a distance. So the time difference is 24 divided by 60 r, which is equal to x by speed 1 is 5 km per hour difference x by 3 km per hour. 24 by 60 are equal to x by, if you take LCM for both of this, I am getting 15 km. So r we can take 5. Difference between the distance. So difference 5x minus 3x or 3x minus 2. Anyhow it is 2x because distance won't come in negative. So x is equal to 3 kilometers. So the distance between his office and home is 3 kilometers. The same problem can also be done by using the formula distance equal to speed 1 into speed 2 into time difference. Del T is time difference divided by speed 1 difference speed 2. This is the formula you can use instead of the normal method. So distance equal to, here the speed 1 is 5 km per hour into speed 2 is 3 km and del T is nothing but the time difference. So we already found time difference T1 and T2 is, because both one is late and one is early. So we have to add the times, it is 24 minutes. So 24 divided by 60 divided by the difference between the speed 5 and 3 is 2. If you simplify this, you will get 3 kilometers as well. You can either use this formula or you can proceed by normal method. Let's see the next problem. Starting from his house, a boy walks at a speed of 2.5 km per hour and reaches his school 6 minutes late. After he increases his speed by 1 km per hour and reaches his school 6 minutes early. How far is the school from his house? If you see, here also it is one time it is late and one time it is early. So the time difference between two times is 6 plus 6 equal to 12 minutes. If we convert minutes to hour, we can divide it by 60 hours. And the speed 1 is 2.5 km per hour. And speed 2 is 3.5 km per hour. How I write 3.5 km per hour means he is increases his speed by 1 km per hour. So he is increasing his speed by 1 km per hour. So from 2.5 to 3, he is in, and speed 2 is 3.5 kilometers per hour. Why? Because he is increased his speed by 1 kilometer per hour. We know the formula for distance is t equal to d by s. We know the formula t equal to d by s. So the time difference t1 and t2 is 12 by 60 equal to, let's take the distance by x kilometer because both the days he is going from home to school. So x divided by 2.5 minus x divided by 3.5. So we are so 12 by 60 equal to, make this decimal, so 2x divided by 5 minus 2x divided by 7. 3 into 2 is, so if you simplify this, you get x is equal to, when you take LCM for 5 and 7, it is 35, 14x minus 10x. After simplifying, we get x is equal to 3 by 4 kilometers. This problem also you can solve by using a formula method. Next problem, John is traveling in his cycle and has calculated to reach point A at 2 p.m. if he travels at the rate of 10 km per hour. So the speed 1 is 10 km per hour and he reaches at 2 p.m. If the speed is 15 km per hour, he reaches at 12 p.m. At what speed must he travel to reach A at 1 p.m.? So we have to find the usual time is 1 p.m. Sorry, we know here it's given that the usual time is 1 p.m. So here if you see 2 p.m. means he is 1 hour late and 12 p.m. means it is 1 hour early. So here also late and early concept. So we have to add the time. So the time difference between two speed is 2 hours. It is not minute, it is 2 hours. So the time difference is 2 hours. To find the actual speed, we have to find the actual distance. Like in the previous problems, we know 2 is equal to distance by, so let's take the distance by x kilometers, distance difference between two speeds, 15 kilometers. So if we simplify this, we get, here the time difference is 2 hours. So 2 is equal to distance by 10, difference distance by 15 kilometer per hour. So here it is hours and here it is kilometer per hour. So R and R get cancelled, 30 kilometer. If you take LCM, it is 30 kilometer. So bring it here, x is equal to 60 kilometer. Sorry, here 60 kilometer. We found the distance. Here our question is to find the speed. We know the formula for speed, distance divided by time. We know the distance is 60 kilometer, but what is the time? If we see the first case, in 1 hour he is going 10 kilometer. So how much time will it take to reach 60 kilometer? Means simply we can say it is 6 hours. So if he takes 10 kilometer speed, he will reach the destination 2 p.m. But our target is to find 1 p.m. That is, he has to reach the destination in 5 hours. So our time is 5 hours. So distance speed equal to, our distance is 60 divided by 5 hours. 60 kilometer. In 5 hours he has to reach. That is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. So our speed is 12 km per hour. Walking 6/7 of his usual speed, a man is 12 minutes late. The usual time taken by him to cover the distance is. In this problem, we have to find time. Speed is given. Speed is 6/7 of his usual speed. We know that time is reciprocal of speed. So we can write the time is 7/6 of his usual time. So 7/6 of his usual time minus usual time is 12 minutes. So if he walks 7/6 of usual time minus usual time equals to 12 minutes. So 12/60 hours. So if we simplify this, we get time equal to 1 hour 12 minutes. So the usual time is 1 hour and 12 minutes. If you have any questions on this, please do comment. Thank you for watching.